Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I go to the gym every morning. I go to the gym every morning. I change into my workout clothes. I change into my workout clothes. I warm up before I exercise. I warm up before I exercise. I stretch my legs before running. I stretch my legs before running. I run on the treadmill for 30 minutes. I run on the treadmill for 30 minutes. I lift weights to build my muscles. I lift weights to build my muscles. I do 10 push-ups every morning. I do 10 push-ups every morning. I do sit-ups to strengthen my stomach. I do sit-ups to strengthen my stomach. I ride the exercise bike for 20 minutes. I ride the exercise bike for 20 minutes. I drink water after every exercise set. I drink water after every exercise set. I rest for 1 minute between sets. I rest for 1 minute between sets. I use the rowing machine today. I use the rowing machine today. I do jumping jacks to warm up my body. I do jumping jacks to warm up my body. I check my progress in the mirror. I check my progress in the mirror. I ask the trainer for help. I ask the trainer for help. My arms are tired after lifting weights. My arms are tired after lifting weights. I cool down after my workout. I cool down after my workout. I wipe my face with a towel. I wipe my face with a towel. I take a shower after the gym. I take a shower after the gym. I feel strong and healthy after my workout. I feel strong and healthy after my workout.